what I want to say, it's my approach to your method was to the visual difficulty that my daughter, my two daughters had to see that it appeared at 9-10 years old. Both experienced myopia and astigmatism from one moment to the next. And once in front of the optometrist, without giving us any explanation as to why these symptoms appear, she prescribed glasses and told us that they would get worse. And as a mother, it was very difficult at that time to hear because I wasn't expect that. I felt very frustrated, in fact, and that made me start looking for other options. And I found in internet Meir Schneider, and then I found you, and we began to apply all the techniques you teach us. And after that I decided to become a vision educator. And one thing that I remember she told us was that now when they start to wear glasses, they will have the eyes have to get used to the glasses. And they will have to wear them forever.
Yeah.
And I didn't understand why, because if the eyes it's a part of our body, in our body, if any other muscle in the body, we can work with them, we can do
train, improve, heal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Go to the gym, whatever. Everything we can do something. Why the eyes? It's other history. Total different thing. That's as a practitioner also. I start to asking me if I can do something for them. And then I apply all the things that you told us, and I apply all the things that I've learned as a practitioner, and it was perfect. So it is true, we all can improve our vision, our eyesight, and our vision as a whole. So now that you have this opportunity, please grab it for you, and enjoy it, because it's very important for us to keep our good eyesight, applying the tremendous amount of tools that you are about to learn.